Hey, Marcus Dean here at Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile up from the Galleria here in the heart of Hoover, Alabama, Highway 31. I want to thank you for your interest in the Accent. This is the exact one that you inquired about. It's the great white color with the great wraparound headlights, wonderful grille here. This car comes with a lot of great features that are standard on it. It's going to come with your cruise control. It's got Bluetooth on it. It's got your power windows and door locks. It's also got your backup camera. It's got a lot of features. It's got your two-tone seat, which is unheard of in an entry-level vehicle. You've got room. It gets great gas mileage. It's going to get you 38 miles on the highway, 28 in the city, 32 overall. But with my experience on my car, personally I drive an Elantra, you're going to get better than what it says. But the best thing about this car is going to be America's best warranty. It comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, we double that for 20 years, 200,000 miles, no cost to yourself, good anywhere in the USA. Marcus, my name's Dean. Give me a call, 205-401-5511. That's my cell, because you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.